Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited coins on Netboom using the Netboom mod. So let me just open it up. So as you can see, I got 1,280 coins. So I'm going to turn on the unlimited coins option and let's see if our coins go up at all with this mod. I've enabled it and they should. Yo, it works! So I'm going to show you guys how to get this Netboom mod, guys. Unlimited coins. This is super cool. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So the first thing we got to do is go on to tweakmod.com and we're going to type Netboom, and there's the mod, so press install. So this is where I downloaded it, guys. So now we're just going to wait for it to download here, as you can see. All right, so we'll just give it a second to load. So let's just wait, and it shouldn't take that long, so I'm just going to let it do its thing. All right, so let's just give it a second to load up. So yeah, I've already downloaded it, obviously, but I'm just gonna show you guys how to download it. So basically, it's gonna tell you that you gotta do these like missing file installation thing. So as you can see, we got all the apps here. So you just want to make sure you download 2 of the apps and complete the instructions. They're completely free. So for instance, Misplay, you just press on it, it'll bring you to the store, and then you just download it and do whatever it says. So there is a video to watch if that will make more sense than listening to me. I did a game called Travel Town, which I guess isn't on here anymore, but I literally just had to like run it and like follow the instructions. I think it was like reach level like 10 or something. So that was an easy one for me. But for you guys, you might not have that. But these are just the apps they gave me to do. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. And peace out.